Load testing doesn't have to be a mystery. You can find out a lot in only 5 minutes. Find out more next. SDR News coverage of AWS reInvent made possible by Dome9. Total control and visibility over your cloud infrastructure, network, and host security. Garantia, the in-memory NoSQL company, offering enterprise-class Redis for developers. Encapsula, website security, always-on protection from bots and DDoS and real-time stats on visitors and threats. Skillbase, leveraging MySQL and scaling out data at the speed of your business. And eMind, architecting, building, and operating enterprise-grade clouds in billion-dollar HIPAA, PCI DSS, and SOX environments. More coverage of AWS reInvent online or on the SDR News Roku channel.
So we are here on the AWS reInvent floor, SDR News, together with imondemand.com, and here with me,
Dan Benger from Blazemeter.
and it's executive VP, right?
Yes.
Okay. How is the show till now?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Excellent show. Yeah. Excellent visitors. Very interesting. Yeah.
Last year you've been in the Amazon show.
It's the first time.
The first time.
First time for Blazemeter. Yeah.
Okay, great, excellent. So let's hear about Blazemeter a little bit, right? Blazemeter, right?
Yeah. Blazemeter.
Yeah.
That's
What are the challenges? That the Amazon user experience today, and you help them to overcome them.
Sure. The real challenge is to reach really many users. Use your website or your mobile app or web app, and Blazemeter provide a very great self-service load testing solution. And actually, we can meet any number of concurrent users going to your website or using your mobile app. We are fully compatible with open source, and you can really start testing any HTTP application or website within 5 minutes.
So basically what you're saying is that I'm simulating a load of users or concurrent users. Can I get, to simulate millions? Like, if I'm scaling tomorrow and I'm doing my campaign, I want to be ready for that. It's something that you are solving. Am I right?
Yes, you are right. We support millions of users. Usually, when we're talking about concurrent users, you don't need millions, although we support unlimited number of users, and it's very correct. We support any kind of user scenario. We can simulate any user scenario, doing any activity, either in your website or in your app. Simulate it, script it, run the load test, generate the report, and analyze the results. And not only that, we are finding the bottlenecks in your app or in your website and suggest ways to fix these bottlenecks.
Great. So this user, what is the characters of your users? It's a web company, a startup, an enterprise. What type of user that is the typical case?
Actually, it's all over, starting from very tiny, small startup through SMB up to huge enterprises such as Adobe, Nike, Gap, Disney. They all use Blazemeter on a corporate level. Blazemeter has been used mainly by the DevOps, the development teams. So you will find more and more small, medium, and large enterprises that are using Blazemeter on a daily basis.
Excellent. And how it's being delivered? How I'm a DevOps, I want to start to work, I need, I'm connecting to the API, I'm downloading something, how it works?
Oh, good question. It's a pure SaaS solution. Yeah, you don't need to install anything, you don't need hardware, you even don't need software, no setup, nothing.
Hardware, of course not, we are in Amazon show, no one here hacks servers, so this I understand.
Yeah, you simply go to blazemeter.com, sign up to the service by adding your email address, password, and you're in. You can really start it in 1 minute and start doing the load test.
So let me try to trick you here. I have, I'm on demand.com. Tomorrow, I will be bombarded with amount of users. Before that, I will go to Blazemeter. I will put my URL and I'm fine.
Yeah, you should now go to your the website, sign up to the service, and really the learning curve is ridiculously minimal. Yeah, very simple. You can really start using it with no time.
Excellent. So BlazeMeter, load testing, very simple software as a service, actually changing what's going on in the traditional world. All the hassle of creating more and bringing more hardware. And all of that, very cool, very interesting. How people can reach you? How people can go to your website, talk with you?
Yeah, simply go to blazemeter.com. All the information is over there. All the pricing is over there. We have a free tier. Everyone can start using it. No credit card, nothing. Just simply go to blazemeter.com and you get it all.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
Thank you. My pleasure.